Do you have a cabin up north? Maybe a lake house or a little cottage in the woods? Well, you should have an annual maintenance program for these 5 features of that cabin. I think that every year you should have one time a year that you replace the batteries in all your smoke detectors. This is crucial so that you know the safety of yourself and your family is protected, and that if you have a problem, those features work, those safety features work and protect you. Second is your furnace. You should annually make sure that the furnace is in good shape, that it's clean, free of debris around the unit, and I would recommend bringing out a contractor to just do an annual checkup on it. Third, you should check the exterior of the property and the building, meaning look over the siding, see if there's areas that need repair. Check the decks. Does it need staining? Does it need boards replaced? Check over any railings to make sure that they're solid and safe, especially second floor railings. Look through your driveway, especially if it's a hard surface driveway. Are there cracks that need to be sealing? Is it blacktop and you need to be coated for it? Those are just some of those exterior items that you want to make sure that are in good shape to protect the overall structure of the property. Fourth is your septic. Now, this doesn't necessarily need service every year, but if you talk to your contractor that pumps it out, they can give you some suggestions to watch over. So to look over the area to see if there are trees growing too close to the field. Maybe in some people's cases, they're putting in a treatment of root killer, where you're flushing that into the system to help maintain the working system so that you don't have blockages further down the line. And then just a quick check of the system throughout the house if you can get to it. For instance, if you have a basement, look at those lines to see if there's anything leaking from that. Fifth is really the grounds of the property. So looking over your lawn, looking over your landscaping. You know, annually, if you prepare this in the fall, or maybe spring and fall, but in the fall, then you can go through, see if you've got any areas that maybe were eroding, if you've got parts of your sprinkler system that need repair or replacement. Anything like that, again, to make sure that you're staying ahead of things so that you're not dealing with major problems, you're dealing with the small issues before they become something much worse. If you do these 5 walkthroughs on an annual basis, you will make sure that your property up north stays in its best condition. Plus, if you're doing it on a scheduled annual basis, it's going to happen much faster. You're going to find problems before they're significant issues, which is going to save you money, be more efficient in time, and overall maintain that very valuable asset so that when you come up north, predominantly what you're going to do is just enjoy yourself. I hope that this has been helpful. I hope that this adds value to your ownership of your cabin, and have a great day.